In this video, I will show you how to fix try again we ran into a system error issue on Meta AI app. So the first thing that you need to do is check if there is any VPN, ad blocker or proxy turned on. If there is, then simply turn it off. Then the next thing that you can do is simply click on Play Store. In the search bar, search for Meta AI. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date and you're still facing this error, then simply click and hold on to Meta AI icon. Then go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you'll see Clear Cache written in bright red. Click on it. After that, you can try relaunching Meta AI app, and if it's still not working, then that might be the internal server issue. So simply wait for some time and then try to restart it again, and it should start working. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.